The discount trap. Stacked percents. Lesson 1.4. You walk into the store. The tag says 30% off. A sign above says an extra 50% off. You smile. That's 80% off, you think. But that's exactly what they want you to think. Because you're not getting 80% off. You're getting trapped. Why 30% off then 50% off doesn't mean 80% off, and how stores use this to win while you lose. Let's take the mask off the math. Anchor question. A jacket is $100. First it's 30% off, then 50% off the new price. How much do you pay? How much did you save? Original price. $100, 30% off. $100 minus 30% equals $70. Then 50% off that. $70 minus 50% equals $35. Final price, $35. Total savings, $100 minus $35 equals $65. It feels like 30% plus 50% equals 80%, but it's not. Because that second discount hits what's left, not the original. This isn't addition. It's multiplication in disguise. First, find the percent left after the first discount. 100% minus 30% equals 70% to 0.70. Then apply the second percent. 50% off equals 50% left equals 0.50. Multiply 0.70 times 0.50 equals 0.35. 35%. You're paying 35%. That's a 65% total discount, not 80%. When percent discounts stack, multiply the remaining percents, not the percents off. You think 80% off equals I pay $20. You actually pay $35. You just spent $15 more than you thought. This is the trick. They make you feel like you saved 80%, but you didn't. It's not math. It's marketing. Q1. $150 item. First 10% off, then 20% off. What's the final price? Question mark $200. First 20% off, then 50% off. The new price. What's the final price? Q3. A $50 product is marked 25% off. Then a second 40% discount is applied. What's the final price? Q4. A $120 item gets a 60% off sale. Then the store adds a 10% off coupon. What's the final price? Challenge. Question. You're at checkout. A laptop costs $800. The sale gives you 35% off. You also get an extra 25% off the discounted price. How much do you pay? How much did you actually save?